Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to improve battery life in Windows 10. Windows 10 is the most popular desktop operating system in the world, and while Windows 11 is nipping at its heels, most of us will still be running Microsoft's current OS for the foreseeable future. And even if you use it every day, there's always more to learn. Maybe you don't consider yourself a power user, or perhaps you've made the leap from macOS to Windows. Whatever your comfort level, these tips will help you get more out of your Windows 10 experience. Some of these tricks originated from an older generation of Windows, while others are new to this iteration. Windows 10's battery saver feature can help you if your laptop's battery is running low. It is smart enough to throttle the background processes and threads to limit the power usage and save power to allow your machine to last longer. It is better than power-saving modes found in previous Windows releases and can be enabled using this procedure. Click Start menu, then type in the search box Settings. Go to System. Finally to Battery Saver and switch it on. Here you can adjust it to its best performance. You can even set it to be switched on automatically if your PC reaches a certain amount of battery percentage. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.